Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the audio asset and extracting the numeric ID. This is the core piece you'll use. Once you have the ID, make sure the asset is allowed for your use. Look for creator restrictions and compatibility. Next, choose where the sound will live. A sound in workspace, a GUI element for the local player, or a boombox for player-triggered playback. Now that the ID and target are ready, move to inserting and setting up the sound object. Now you insert the sound and wire up the ID. In Studio, add a sound to the chosen parent and set sound ID to RB's assetted, / plus your number. This tells Roblox where to load audio. Then adjust properties like volume, loop, and roll off so the sound behaves correctly. If playback should be client-only, use a local script. If everyone must hear it, use a server script. Once configured, run play solo, and then a multiplayer test. Finish by validating the audio in a live environment and across devices. You want consistent volume and sync. If it fails to play, first recheck that the sound ID uses the exact numeric format and that the asset permits use in other games. Also confirm your script runs in the correct context, local script versus server script, and that the sound parent exists at runtime. Finally, optimize with compression, max distance, and gentle fades so the audio feels polished and performs well.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.